Kate here with WTI, and let me tell you, not all puzzles are made the same. This one from HUADADA is incredible. I already have my next one in my cart ready to go because I need more of this in my life. It is so well made. The pieces stay together. I can almost lift this entire puzzle up off the board and it will stay in one piece. You know that that's rare and that makes for an amazing puzzle. The other really cool feature is that each corner has its own letter. So I've never seen this done before, but boy, does it help when you're a little bit stuck. So it's A, B, C, D. As you're going, you can see if you're in the right corner or even the right direction. So instead of having to flip your piece every single way, you can see if it's upright and then you can find the match. It is so fun, it's so vibrant, lots of patterns, lots of bold colors, so it makes it really fun to complete. It's an awesome size, 1,000 pieces, and it even comes with a giant poster, so it's basically the same size, I believe. So a nice big poster that you can almost match identically to make sure that your puzzle's coming together properly. So if you're looking for an awesome puzzle to occupy some of your time, I can't recommend this brand enough. They have the certain ones with the letters on the back, so watch for that. This one has it, and I think you're going to be blown away by the quality and really enjoy putting together this puzzle, and that's my point of view.